In this video, we're going to be reviewing the Woody and the Bullseye figurines. We ordered it from Amazon. It came in this bag, so I'm going to go ahead and pop it open so we could take a look at Woody and Bullseye. Okay, so my kids love Toy Story, so they are going to be so geeked when they see this right here. They are going to love it. I do like the fact that it comes with Woody's hat right in there. We have Woody, and then we have Bullseye. So let's go ahead and open this up so we could take a better look at it. Here you guys have it. We do have Woody right here, and his hat, you could actually take it off and put it right back on like so. We have the arms actually move around like this, and then we do have a joint right here at the elbow. The cool thing about his belt is his holster actually like moves around like that, so that is pretty cool. And of course, it wouldn't be Woody without having his boots. So Woody is nice and intact. Oh, his scarf also moves around just a little bit as well. So let's go ahead and put Woody down for a second, and let's check out Bullseye. So Bullseye head does like swivel just like this. He could look left and right. He does have a saddle, and then we have the, I'm not sure what they're called, but that's where Woody would actually go up on him right here. And then his legs, all four legs could move around, and then they do bend a little bit at that knee area right here. So you guys have seen that he is able to stand by himself, and then also his tail when it moves around like so. So that's pretty cool that his tail moves around. So let's go ahead and put Woody on top of Bullseye so he could ride him just like that, and maybe we could have him, oh, there we go, stand still just like that. So that is Woody and Bullseye, you guys. Like I said, my kids are gonna love this. They love Toy Story, so why wouldn't they love good old Woody and Bullseye?